So here's where we're at with the Thunderbird. I am fitting up the inside quarter panel of the 57 Thunderbird and had to do a lot of modification to this piece to get it to fit. As you can see, I think this dimension up to here is fine, and if you look at it from here on out, from the back, I think that is pretty darn good. Needs to be where it's at. You can see I've replaced a couple of trunk pieces in here and it fits up nicely. And I'll show you how else it fits inside. Now, let's see. So then we've got, let's see if I can show this in here properly. So you can see where it's fitting up against the fender liner, which is pretty good. And you can see my new trunk pieces in here. And I've got the inner fender, or the quarter panel inner piece bolted up, screwed in to the floor a little bit here to give it some structure. But where I'm at is I keep going back and fitting, and then I end up with that. And that is about the angle I want through here. If you look back like this, if you come in from this angle, and you look back like this, this gives me what I want right through here. But I've got 3/16 of material I need to get rid of. So I've marked it. I'm going to go ahead and cut through here, and then I'm going to go ahead and weld it back up, and we should have a perfect fitting piece in there that doesn't look like crap.